What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Pretty Boy Nook, man. I'm back now. I'm finna do a little, basically like a unboxing slash review on this. Well, I already unboxed this, so really I'm just testing it out to see if it works on this little thing right here. On this Skip Doctor X DVD and CD manual disc repair system. Fixes scratch disc. Eliminate skipping, freezing, and distortion. I ain't gonna read all that, so if y'all wanna see it, just pause it, rewind it a little bit and pause it. Just got this off eBay. $21, pretty cheap. So we gonna test it out to see if it works. This is it right here. The handle was actually detached, but since I put it on, it's kind of hard to pull off, and I don't want to break it. So, I mean, it's like plastic. It's kind of cheap, so I don't want to risk that, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, we're going to go ahead give this baby a try. Feel me? I'm going to put that down. This is my Van Helsing right here. It actually doesn't work. So you can see, as you can see how scratched it is. We tested. Got the ps2 going, Xbox One just chilling. You know, I still love my classics, so I'll put the Van Helsing in there. So everybody knows it's not a different disc. There you go, Van Helsing. Oh shit, I actually forgot to put up the controller. Now it's gonna go and it's gonna get stuck at after the PlayStation 2. So sometimes it don't even pop up. Okay, it pops up that time. Popped up that time. Like, can you hear the PlayStation? Like, it's trying to read the disc, but it can't. So still nothing. Alright, we're gonna restart. Take this out. And this is actually the solution that comes with it. Skip Dr. X rejuvenating fluid. It's basically mostly just purified water. See, 95.5% filtered water, 0.5%. You know. All right, see, what you do is shit kind of hard to do with one hand. I wish I had somebody to hold this for me. Yeah. This little thing here, you pull this up right here as far as it can. Take the spray. And you go, you'll get the disc nice and wet. Just enough to cover it. Don't soak it though. This is my first time testing it, y'all. So you feel me? This is a review for all of us, just to see if it works. Hold on, I'll be back once I find out how to put this up. I just switched to the front camera because shit was difficult. But yeah, as you see, it's still the wet disc, you know. The Van Helsing. I'll set the phone up. And you put it in. You hold it like this. You put it in upside down with this part facing up. Push it in till you hear it click, and you just spin it down. As you can see, the disc slowly rotates. It's actually See, this is why I didn't want to pull it. Keep buffing. See, as you can see, like the difference in the. It's buffing, slowly rotating. I'm gonna show you how the disc look after we finish buffing. They say if it's scratched pretty bad, you're supposed to go around like twice. So alright, that's one full circle. I might do this one third time because this was scratched pretty bad. See, as it's actually getting a little easier to spin. It's like grinding up the disc, making it smoother. Alright, I guess that should be enough. Now we're gonna take it out. See, got marks and stuff on it, but that's just from the water. Just take tissue or whatever the hell you got. So, just wipe it off. Okay, these little cotton swabs, these ain't really doing nothing but spreading it mostly. I'm gonna use another one. Alright, there you go. As y'all can see, it still has some scratches, but it actually looks way better than it did before. Same game, Van Helsing. Now we're going to go to the moment of truth right here. The moment of truth right here, motherfucker. Session 2. And there we go. There we go, y'all. Y'all just witnessed it firsthand. And it's playing flawlessly, no glitching. So what I I would actually say it'll be a good $21 to invest if you love like classic PS2 games, GameCube. Honestly, I wouldn't even recommend GameCube because I don't think that little ass disc can even fit in that little thing. Well, it probably could, I don't know. But yeah, PS2, GameCube, DVDs, and Xbox 360 games or original Xbox games. Get you one of these joints. I'm telling you, they work. They work. And y'all just seen it for yourselves. It works. So, this is my little. Get these controllers out of there. And this deodorant. Look, this is my game collection right here. The PS2. See all that? All this PS2. And I gotta buff all of these. See that? I'm about to buff all of these because all of these do not work on my PS2 Slim. They work on the fat one, but the fat one is broken. So I've been playing the PS2 Slim, and none of these work. So we gonna buff all of these. But alright, y'all, man, this your boy Pretty Boy Nook just bringing this to y'all, man. Go ahead, get y'all one if y'all like classic games. Don't do it on Blu-ray disc because you can't buff Blu-ray disc, so don't do that shit. It's just for the old games, you know, classic ps2, GameCube, Xbox 360, and original Xbox. So, bad. I'm out.